We will guide you through how to make green glow effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Import your video and place it on the main timeline. Hold the Alt key and drag the video clip upward to create a duplicate layer directly above the original footage. Trim the duplicated clip so it only covers the section where you want the green glow to appear. Select the upper duplicate clip on the timeline, then open the video settings from the right side panel. Find the Remove BG option and enable auto removal. Wait for CapCut to process the footage and isolate the subject from the background. Once the subject has been separated, open the adjustment settings for the isolated clip. Select Color Wheel to change the subject's appearance and adjust the available color channels until the isolated subject takes on a green color. Next, open the Effects tab from the top toolbar. Select Video Effects and use the search bar to look for Edge Glow. Browse the available results and drag the Edge Glow effect onto the isolated upper clip. Select the highlighted clip and right-click it on the timeline to open the available options. Choose Create Compound Clip to combine the isolated layer and its applied effect into a single clip. Open the Special Effects Details settings for the compound clip to access the glow controls. Increase the glow intensity to around 70, or adjust the value according to the brightness and style you want to achieve. To create a flickering appearance, split the highlighted clip into several short sections using the Split tool. Remove alternating sections from the timeline to create brief gaps between the glowing portions. This makes the green glow appear to flicker on and off, while the original footage remains visible underneath.